Welcome back, my friends. It is June 6, 2019, 7:01 p.m. And we could thank Type X, aka Caroline, for this article. And this is no joke. This is actually an article in the news. It's been making its rounds on social media. So we're going to talk about it because it has to do with tornadoes, believe it or not. Pennsylvania man. This guy is from Whitehaven, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania man, traffic circles are causing all of these tornadoes. This man calls into, let's look at the actual place he called into. I kind of pieced this together for us to look at. Basically, long story short, is this man calls in and you can leave messages to this news station, and they play a lot of them. You know, a lot of people have their theories about certain things. This man believes that all the roundabouts that are being built in Pennsylvania since about 2000 till present day are the cause for the uptick in tornadoes in Pennsylvania. Let's read this article. Here we go. This traffic circle is located in Delaware County. One Pennsylvania man believes traffic circles are to blame for the state's recent uptick in tornadoes. Pennsylvania has seen an unusually high number of tornadoes already. This is actually true. The average tornadoes we get in Pennsylvania are about 16. We are already at 28 for the year, I believe. Scientists aren't exactly sure what's behind the uptick, but one Pennsylvania resident has a theory. Traffic circles. I actually have the audio of this. I could play part of it. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but just check this out.
We didn't have tornadoes here until we started putting into traffic circles.
I'm not going to go much past that, but I will share the link with you guys where you can get to this website and listen to the full audio. And the news anchor's actual reaction to it is pretty funny itself. But as we read on here, and here's the caller's full theory written out. We didn't have tornadoes here until we started putting in the traffic circles. Cause, on the account of the, you want to know why? When people go round and round in circles, it causes disturbances, I believe is what they meant, in the atmosphere and causes tornadoes. So he believes that it's the cars going in circles all day long or the wind patterns going around these roundabouts that are causing these tornadoes. I'm not too sure about that. I would have to do some more research to look into it. I'm just relaying the info I see here on the news. Actually, what Caroline saw on the news. This is an amazing article. The segment picked up steam on social media Sunday and then again Wednesday. Here's hoping the momentum from all those retweets doesn't start a tornado. They're kind of mocking the guy there. What are you going to do? Somehow this is what a Whitehaven resident came up with while he called into WNEP's Talkback 16 segment. So that's the name of the segment. In fact, I have the website pulled up. I just didn't want to use their content specifically for the video. You can get it right here. I will have the link in the description box. And when you scroll down, you will see this video here. You go to 1 minute and 8 seconds, and you can hear the man for yourself talk about his theory on the roundabout. This article was by Adam. Oh, Adam who? Adam Herman from the Philly Voice staff. So he's the one that wrote this article. And just to follow up on this, guys, just so you know, 16 is the average number for tornadoes. You can see here they happen mostly between the months of April and July, give or take. Obviously, tornado season is mostly May through June for central U.S. and most of the U.S. But you can see here we don't get many tornadoes in PA. It's not a very common thing. 16 a year is not too common. We've had a lot more this year. We all know that. We're at about 28 now, I believe. You can count these as about 28, but I'll leave this link as well. This is actually an account of each tornado for the year. We had one in January. I actually forgot about this. There was one tornado this year in January, so just after the new year, a week after. It was an EF1 or EF negative. Yeah, it's an EF1. There's no negatives. It's either EF0 or EF1. Max winds 95 miles per hour, and then going down the list between April and May 29th, there's been about 27 tornadoes. So we could see the bulk of them happen between April and May. They may not be done either. We don't know yet. There's still a lot of weather moving in from the West Coast that could be causing some of this stuff. We got to check our Cape numbers and stuff like that. But definitely wanted to share this article with you guys. We're going to have a live stream a little bit later, but I'm going to leave both of these links for you so you can check this out and listen to this guy speak on his ideas and his theory about these new roundabouts that have been popping up all over Pennsylvania, and I could vouch for it. There's two of them they just built in our area. You can come to pendot.gov, and this particular link I will also put in the description box, and it explains why they're putting these roundabouts everywhere. Apparently, it's a safety issue. They're claiming that it is stopping a lot of accidents. It's saving power for traffic lights, you name it. They come up with every positive excuse you can think of to have these roundabouts when really they are kind of a pain in the butt. Especially the ones around us. But with that said, guys, that's what I got for you for this story. I'm going to be going live again, like I said. But let's take a listen to this one more time. Got to.
We didn't have tornadoes here until we started putting into traffic circles.
Thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.